All filters have their limits and will clog up eventually anyway, and as they clog up they become less effective at filtering out the various chemicals, minerals and microbes that may be present in the water supply. This may soon become apparent to you in the form of changes in the taste or odour of the water coming from your water filter, or if you notice reduced or no water flow, which will usually be due to the filter cartridges becoming clogged. Another one, if you're using a TDS meter to keep an eye on things for a reverse osmosis system, you'll notice the TDS level rises as the RO filter cartridge wears out. If it gets too high, you'll know it's time to replace the reverse osmosis membrane. Manufacturers may vary a little in how often filter cartridges need to be replaced, but the table here is a general guideline based on a family of 4 and the average person requiring around 4 litres per day. Obviously, smaller families would need to replace filters less frequently, while larger families would need to do that more frequently. More frequent replacement may also be required if you notice reduced water pressure or no water flow, if the water becomes discoloured or you can see particles in it, or if the taste or smell has deteriorated. Failure to replace filter cartridges at the recommended intervals may not only result in bacteria growth affecting water quality, it can damage a powered water system if the pump gets overloaded trying to push water through blocked filters. For more information about iLand Water products, please do come visit us or check out our website at www.ilandwater.com.au. If you're interested in becoming an iLand Water reseller and would like a price list, please send an email to sales@ilandwater.com.au or just give us a call on 02 8840 5177. Check us out on social media. You can find us on Facebook, YouTube and Twitter under iLand Water. Please like and subscribe and give the bell a click if you'd like a notification from YouTube about any new videos we put up. Thanks and bye for now.